You. Bro, my laptop's slow again. Cousin. Wait, I got you. Installs cracked antivirus from a sketchy USB. You're protected now, so... Right? Wrong. Behind the scenes. Your RAM's crying. CPU's on fire. Malware be like, yo, I live here now. You thought you got antivirus. What you really got? Keyloggers, crypto miners, a backdoor to your bank account. But hey, at least it was free, right? Meanwhile, your laptop. Blue screens into depression. Want real protection from RS1999? Check Marketoids.com. Link in bio.